G'day, my name is Jackson and I'm a type 1 diabetic. My dream is to get a motorbike and travel long term through India and Nepal. I'm hoping to create some awareness for the Life for a Child program, which helps out type 1 diabetics in poorer countries around the world. Diabetics who can't afford insulin. So please, follow along and join me for the ride.
Fall into the sea.
Okay, after a crazy night of travel through darkness, rain, landslides, lightning and thunder, we've ended up here. Rishikesh! Now we're off to find a motorbike. Here we are at Ranjeet Motorcycle shop, renting a motorbike. Yeah. Test drive.
What's this time?
I think.
I get my fortune out.
Finally on my Royal Enfield.
Rolled up my shirt sleeve, punched my mind in the mouth.
We're about to take off.
I get my guns up, I let my streets run dry.
It's ready to take on India.
I got a nosebleed tonight. I've been on the run, hold on. I've been on the run, hold on.
First checkpoint across the bridge, and we've been pulled up. Apparently our bike is a private bike and not for renting.
Wake up and tell me you did something bad. Wake up and tell me how much coke you had. Oh, there'll be no hell here. The fight's fading outward. Wake up and tell me anything at all. Ooh, hold on.
So we pulled out the map and we discovered we've taken a wrong turn at the very start of our trip, and we are now on the border of India and Tibet. So we've stopped over for chai and having an apple, and then we're heading back to Joshimath and take the left-hand turn to go to Mana and the Valley of Flowers and that way.
Running out, the blind boys run. My black and broken bones clean up when you're done.
So here we are, somewhere, heading towards the Himalayas. Still waiting for an explosion. Our Indian friends are still hiding behind a rock, and one is protecting himself with an umbrella. So we found a room. But it's our location. Oh. Too passive. Let's go back to the room somehow.
I don't know if we have to be subtle, but...
Oh yeah, hit the ramps.
There'll be no help here, this light's fading out. Wake up and tell me anything at all.
We've ran out of road. We're literally on a footpath and we got to turn around. I don't know why they let us come up here.
Play a tune to attract a wide wail from the sun. Directions north, you head south is when I met the one. Turning from the ocean